There are lots of reasons to consider buying a PCC bull. Among them, calving ease, fertility, grass efficiency, low maintenance, meat tenderness, quiet disposition, udder quality, and fly resistance. However, the biggest perk for me is the moderate framed, easy keeping females we've produced from our PCC bulls. They have consistently matured at around 1,200 pounds, usually weaning 50% of their body weight. Without exception, they're easy keepers, staying in good flesh year-round with no pampering. Another advantage we've enjoyed is the structural soundness of the cows we produce. Through this journey, I've discovered that calving ease is more than simply throwing smaller calves. It is also accomplished by improving the hip structure of the cow. The show ring is infatuated with a high tail head and a level hip, leading most seed stock producers to do this as well, even though it's antagonistic to calving ease and reproductive health. Notice the difference between these two animals and imagine a calf passing through the birth canal. Not complicated, it's just simple physics. In our herd, we've all but eliminated birthing losses, which also improves the bottom line. Add to that moderate, structurally sound udders, and you have a cow that can produce more for less for many years to come. While the rest of the beef industry believes that bigger is better, constantly selecting for more growth, Pharo Cattle Company has been selecting for real-world traits that result in more profit. What's a bull worth that can produce quality, long-lasting, efficient females for your cow herd? A whole lot more than you'll ever have to pay for him. For information about bull sales near you, go to pharocattle.com. I'll see you next time on the Herd Quitter Minute.